Okay, today I'm going to show you some awesome free special effects that you can add to your videos, and some sound effects, and some places to get music. All this stuff to add to your videos, and it's all completely free. Everything I'm going to show you is free. I've done a ton of research to find really good sites of where you can get free special effects, where you can get free music, free sound effects, and I have about 5 of my favorite places that I go to get this stuff. The first one I'm going to show you is called Footcrate. Footcrate's a great place to go for visual special effects. When you first go into Footcrate, you have to sign up for an account. There's a free account and there's a paid account. The pro account is $49 a year, but the free account allows you to get some of their free stuff, and you get 3 downloads a day. So each day you can go on there and get 3 new downloads. That's what I've been doing. If you look up here on the menu, you can see some of these cool visual effects they have. Let's just check out some of their magic power effects. This energy ball effect, this is a really cool effect that they have. When you go to the site, you'll notice that there's Preview Pro content. That's for the paid stuff. So what I do is I just uncheck that box so I don't even look at that. So I'm only looking at the free stuff right now. And you can see if you hover over, it'll show you what these effects do. They're all pre-keyed, so you can throw these right into whatever video editor you're using. If you click on them, you can see it a little bit larger. You will not see that where it says Footcrate there. That little watermark, that's removed when you download it, so don't worry about that. And there's all kinds of this really cool special effects in here that you can download for free. Like I said, you get 3 a day. So what I do is, even when I'm not recording, and if I don't need it, I just go in here and I just start downloading stuff that I think I might want or that I might need. There's all kinds of stuff. You got different vehicles in here too. You need to add a helicopter to something. They also have music in here too, and some sound effects. So you can grab those. Those go towards your 3 downloads a day. So go ahead, check this out. There's all kinds of just awesome different special effects in here that you can use. Just previewing a couple so you can take a look at the different stuff that you can add in. Just some really, really cool stuff in here. So definitely check this one out. Another place I go to for free stuff is called Detonation Films. And this has free and paid stuff. In the description, it'll tell you what you're getting for free and what you have to pay for. So again, you can look through here, pick out the free stuff if you want the free stuff. If you want to pay for stuff, it'll tell you how much the prices are for the paid stuff. Like this DV shattering glass is a free one. You can click on it, kind of view what that does. This is this kind of glass blowing up on this one. You see it's free. You just click on I want this, and then you can download it for free. I'll put all the URLs in the description here, so you can look in the description and just click on the links and it'll take you right to these free sites. Let's talk about some sounds here. So you need some sound effects to go along with these special effects that you add to your videos. My instance is a good place to go for sound effects. Let's say you need like a gun noise, like a bang. You can go here, find a bang. You push on the button, it'll preview the sound of the bang, and then if you like it, you just hit download and you can use it. This search option is really nice because there's thousands and thousands of different sound effects on here, so you can kind of search out what you think you might need. Fourth one we're going to look at here is called Free Sounds. This is freesound.org. These sound effects are made by people that just upload it and share it. There's all kinds of things on here, like thunderstorms and creaky doors. There's also this great search feature, so if you want a door slam or squeaky door added to your video, you can search that out. You can preview what it sounds like, and then if you like it, you can download them. You sign up. It's just a free account. The login's just a free account. You sign up and it lets you download as much free stuff as you want. Most of these are real sounds, people recording real sounds. The fifth one actually I'm going to show you here, and people don't even think to look here a lot of times, is actually YouTube. So you go onto your YouTube account, go into your Creator Studio, and under Create, you will see Audio Library. And there's a Sound Effects tab here, where you can add in sound effects. Everything's free to download here. This is 50 cal shell drops, so you got someone firing a weapon. You can add that in. There's also the search box feature here to search out things. I use the free music quite a bit for my videos. I do. It adds a little background music to it. You can preview all the sounds, see if you like it or not. But this is a good place to go to too. So there's 5 really great places to get some special effects, get some sound effects, put a little music in your videos to really make them pop. My next video I'm going to show you how to integrate all this stuff into a video and how it's used. So I'll show you how you put this into your video editor, how you add in special effects, how you can add in the music, how you can add in the sound effects to make a real professional looking video. Stay tuned for that. Subscribe to my channel so you can see when that video comes up. If there's a question you have or something you want me to show, please comment below. Let me know what it is, and we can do a little tutorial on that. That's all for today.